For the first part of this lesson, we're just going to practice writing the equations from word problems. In number 1, Michelle has $4 in quarters and dimes. We're going to call Q the number of quarters and D the number of dimes. So what we're doing here is we're writing an equation based on an amount of money that we have. So that when we're talking about any sort of amount, any sort of price, we're going to use the amount that each coin costs in our equation. So remember, a quarter is 25 cents and a dime is 10 cents. When we're writing this equation and we're keeping our answer in dollars, we're going to use coefficients with our variables also in dollars. So the number of quarters times 0.25, because that's the amount that a quarter is, plus 0.10 times the number of dimes, because that's how much a dime is worth, should equal a total of $4. Now right now we're not solving anything, we're just setting up equations. So that's what this equation would look like. The next one, Claire has $55 in 5s and 10s. So F is going to be the number of $5 bills, T is going to be the number of $10 bills. So the coefficients that we're going to put, we have 5 for F because it costs $5, plus 10 for T, because that's the total amount for that. And our total is $55. You make $20 from every large table and $12 from every small table for a fundraiser. The total amount of money you made was $300. So let's set up an equation. A large table L gets you $20, so that's its coefficient, plus small tables cost $12, so that goes with S, and we get a total of $300. The number of dimes is 10 more than twice the number of quarters. Now notice in this problem we're not talking about an amount of money, we're just talking about the number of coins that we have. So the number of dimes, D, is 10 more than twice the number of quarters, which is Q. So this word is a very important word in this type of problem. That means equals. So here, the number of dimes, D, is equals 10 more. So I need something plus 10. 10 more than something. 10 more than twice the number of quarters. So I need 2 times the number of quarters. So we're just converting words into equations. This can be read as the number of dimes is 10 more than twice the number of quarters. The perimeter of a rectangle is 15. Now our formula for perimeter, I'm going to use P for perimeter, is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, if you remember this from your geometry days, where L and W are length and width. And we know that perimeter is 15, so 15 equals 2L plus 2W. And that's how we would set up that equation. Lastly, the length is 17 less than half of the width. There's that word is again. So the length is what we're starting with. Is equals 17 less, so now we're subtracting 17, then half of the width. So I need half of the width. Again, this can be read as the length is 17 less than half of the width.